And I'll give
Hello.
Yes. Hello.
We will eat burger McDo that we just bought from McDonald's, of course. And we're actually walking, going back to our office because we'll be late. Like our break time will be over within or after 16 to 15 minutes from now.
Yes, and then do like this. Go like this.
The what?
Go like this. Go like that.
What?
Like that.
I thought I'll rotate the phone, but not. But look at us. We are walking.
Yes. We're walking.
Wait, where are the pockets?
Here's yours.
And
Here's
I'm
mine.
holding, and I'm using both of my hands. Look at me. I'm holding the phone. I'm holding my foot, and look at her. Ay, yung crush ko, yun. Oh, akin yan.
Pangit.
I'll just get mine. And I'll show you how I fit.
Ketchup ba yun nandoon? Hindi na sa loob.
Bakit? Mag-ketchup ka.
Okay na naman.
And now, we're in front of the Green Hills Christian Fellowship, the GCF International Christian School.
Ay, school pala to?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
May senior high din sila.
I think so. I don't know. Sarap. Sarap, no?
Oh my God, look. There are two buses in front of our office. What does it mean? Does that mean we're going to, like, a field trip?
Or?
Yeah.
Or what?
Or,
Mari ka yung ano this me. Mari ka yung ano this one. Thank you so much. 100 for 150.
Tumubo ka pa ng piso.
Oh my God. Hindi mo kaya sumakay doon. Tara. Tara nga. Ang tao. Ay, wala pang tao eh. Wala pang tao. Hangat. This is so delicious.
We're now inside the building.
Ay, pindutin mo na. Go. Salbahe. Salbahe yung bakala.
Super sarap po naman yung parang burgers. Burgers.
Ay, wala. Sorry. Mga 4 minutes na pala tayo. Mga 4 minutes na.